Assalamualaikum. Good day. Today I would be talking about the operation management in manufacturing company. I am Associate Professor Dr. Agus Keter, University Malaysia Pahang. I will share my experience in a manufacturing company as an operation manager. Operation management in manufacturing is basically management of a system of manufacturing itself. If we talk about the system, in the manufacturing system there are big components, three big components. The first is manufacturer itself, suppliers, and the customer as a user. And there is the feedback from the customer to the manufacturer regarding with the customer satisfaction in order to improve the production, the productivity, and the quality of the product itself. In this case, in my case, is the drilling pipes. There are two kinds of drilling pipes: casing and tubing. Casing is defined for the bigger pipe, and the tubing for the smaller one. So in the manufacturing system, there are two big flows. The first flow is the purchase order flow. The purchase order flow coming from the customer to the manufacturer and to the supplier. The purchase order, the order from the supplier, from the customer, usually consists of a quantity, standards, and delivery. And then the second flow is the production flow. After purchase order received by the manufacturer will order the raw material from the supplier, and then manufacturer do the production, and the customer as a user of the product itself, in this case is casing or tubing. If we see in detail in the manufacturing process, the tubing or casing consists of three components: the pipe, the raw material pipe, the second is the coupling, and the third is the protector. So raw material pipe will be threaded, will be machined to produce the threaded pipe. The coupling is to produce the coupling, and coupling as a function to connect one pipe to another pipe. And the protector is to protect the threaded pipe or threaded coupling to avoid any defect during the handling or during the shipping, during the tracking. So in the manufacturing company, in the manufacturing of a drilling pipe, there are three production lines in this case. The production line first to produce the threaded pipe, the second is to produce the protector, and the third is to produce the coupling. The activity of the production line is typically similar. For example, to produce the threaded pipe, the activity such as receiving the raw material pipe from the suppliers, and the other activity is to check, to inspect the raw materials whether meet to the requirement or not, and then machining to treat the pipe to make a threaded pipe. After machining, then the activity is the inspection again, how the threaded pipe meet to the specification. And this similarly will be done for the production line for the coupling and protector. But the very important to note here that the very important is the following: the time management. We know that the process, manufacturing process of a threading pipe, protector, and the coupling different. So the how important the time management. The second, the inventory management. How the materials or the product is managed from one activity to another activity, and how the material is stored when the material is in queue for the following process, for example machining, or for example the combination between the three components: threaded pipe, coupling, and the protector. So this is the important, the whole important in the manufacturing process. The three group in the production flow in this case, the important. The first is the production planning. How the important the estimation of the cost. How the important the resource allocation, can be the power, can be the human, can be the facility, and scheduling. How this each product, each component, yeah, can accommodate the good time. Then the three components will join together and to become the end product as a casing or tubing. And the second important in the production flow is the production execution, consists of the purchasing, quality assurance, quality control, inventory management, the most important also the maintenance, and motivating to the staff, to the employer. And then the second and the third important is the delivery. Yeah. How the important, the shipping, the time management here. For example, from the long distance, using the ship or trucking, using the land. And then the acceptance of the customer about the product. And the important, another important is this customer satisfaction. The success of business in the production of the drilling pipes is the customer get satisfaction. So this is all about the briefly about the operation management in manufacturing company that I have experience about 3-4 years. Thank you.